Welcome. In today's video, we're going to tackle a common issue many LinkedIn users face: login problems on your PC. If you've been struggling to access your account, don't worry. We've got some effective steps to help you get back in. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Close and reopen your browser. Sometimes the simplest solutions are the most effective. Start by closing your browser completely, and then reopening it. This can clear temporary glitches that might be causing login issues. Step 2. Verify your credentials. Next, double-check that you're entering the correct username and password. It's easy to make a mistake, so take a moment to ensure everything is accurate. Step 3. Refresh the LinkedIn web page. If you're still having trouble, try refreshing the LinkedIn page. Click on the refresh icon located at the top left of your browser. This can help reload the page and may resolve any loading issues. Step 4. Check your internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for accessing online platforms like LinkedIn. Click on the network icon in your notifications area to ensure you're connected to a reliable network. Step 5. Restart your device. Sometimes, restarting your computer can resolve underlying issues. Press the Windows icon, click on the power icon, and select Shutdown. Wait for about 30 seconds before turning it back on by pressing the power button again. Step 6. Clear your browser, cache, and cookies. Clearing your browser cache and cookies can often fix login problems. Click on the 3 dots at the top right of your browser. Select Delete Browsing Data, and ensure all options are checked with the time range set to all time. Finally, click on Delete Data. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve most LinkedIn login issues on your PC. If you continue to experience problems after trying all these solutions, consider reaching out to LinkedIn support for further assistance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. If you have any questions or additional tips, feel free to leave them in the comments below.